Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the week of March 16th. I'm going to start with going through our agenda and objectives for this week. As always, today's Tuesday, and so we have a summative assessment, and we actually have two of them this week, and they're rather small. We have one that is basically on identifying types of arcs, and then one that is focused on the difference between arc length and arc measure. So basically everything that we have done so far in chapter 10. I have 20 minutes on each of those, although they are only 8 questions each, and I don't think they'll take anyone that amount of time. Please keep in mind that they are due today, which is March 16th, and that they are due by 6 p.m. Let's look at the new stuff for this week. So looking at the new stuff for this week, you can see that you're going to be working with sections 10.5 and 10.7. Those are different types of segments in circles. That is the last piece of your foldable that needs to be completed, and that's about 12 minutes long. And then you're going to have 3 formative assessments that not only go just with this, but kind of pull everything together. This one here will have an answer key at the end of it for you to check. You'll notice that these two here tell you that I want you to submit your work. And then after you submit your work, a day or two, I will either Canvas message you or I will just post an answer key. But I want to see what everyone can do on these two first on their own. And keep in mind, assigned on a Tuesday, due on a Tuesday, and that these are all due at 9 a.m. next Tuesday, which is March 23rd. As far as Zooms for this week, just a little note of change here, that on Wednesday this week and on Thursday this week, that the time is going to be at 12:30. Okay, so just please note that time, and I also put it on your to-do list in Canvas also as 12:30, and then we'll keep our normal one on Monday at 2 p.m. for March 22nd. All right, if you have any questions, please Canvas message me. I hope you have a great day.